Access granted.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell by the video title, this video is going to be strictly upon the Pine Green 1's live cop on grade school and men's sizes. Now, I was able to secure 12 pairs and I probably could have gotten more, but due to the fact that the Jordan 3 UNCs are releasing this weekend, March 7th, I decided to lay off a couple and then try to save my money so I can secure pairs for the Jordan 3s. In other news, I am excited to announce that I have decided to create a Discord group for people that are in the Chicagoland area, as well as a worldwide release for people that need help for botting techniques, group buys, and more. So I'm excited to announce that we'll be releasing March 5th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. The entire goal for me is to help you guys, and this is why I made it affordable. Now, for the first month, guys, I am going to be making it free, but after the first month is done, which is going to be pretty much your free trial, I guess you can say, I am going to be charging at an affordable price at $20 or $25, but probably $20 just to make it a little bit more affordable for anyone of any age. So I'm really excited to announce that. I got in contact with a couple of buddies of mine who have sourceful information, like I said, in the Chicagoland area with in-store information like inventory and restocks, and as well as, like I said, using the best botting techniques that I have and other friends that I know who cook using CyberSo, NSB, AIO, and other stuff like that. So I'm really excited to announce this. If you guys want early access, guys, I'm going to be putting the Discord group link down below in the description, so you guys have first dibs since you guys are my viewers, and I appreciate you guys for supporting me since day one. So I want to give back to you by doing this first 1 month membership, and basically hopefully this gives you guys confidence of what my group is going to be like and give you guys a taste of what my overall goal is, which like I said, is to help you guys. So like I said, go down in the description. I will have it linked down there for my Discord. And if you guys could do me a huge favor, obviously my group is going to be called Sneaker Access. It's SNKRACCESS. I will leave it down in the description below and somewhere here in the video on this page. And like I said, just follow it. I would appreciate any support that I can get. And obviously follow my business page at SellSneakerz, which will also be down below in the description. And this is something that you should do. Like I said, this is just an investment for you guys. The first one is going to be completely free, as I had spoken to you guys about. This is going to be a free trial so you guys can get a little taste of what my group is going to be. And like I said, guys, I'm hoping that this weekend for the Jordan 3 UNCs, I'm able to help you guys cop several pairs, and that way you can flip and make about $60 to $80 profit depending on the size that you get. So I hope this helps you guys. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and just enjoy this video. And like I said, it was just a quick video on the Pine Green 1's live cop and showing you guys the quality of the shoe. Thank you guys, and enjoy the video. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you guys pretty much the live cop, or I should say the aftermath of the Pine Green 1's that recently came out. So for me, I was more focused on the grade school sizing just because I knew that there was money to be made there, and I feel like even with the men's sizes, I was just going for a size 7 through a size 8.5 at the max. So fortunately for me, I was able to get a couple of pairs, so I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Okay, so I actually got these pairs right here. I did do a couple of pre-orders that I had with other people. I did sell like 3 of them, so they're not showing on here, but I think I got like a total of 14 pairs. I probably could have gotten more, but obviously the UNC 3s are coming out this weekend. So I wanted to make sure I had enough money for people for the pre-orders or just getting them in general. So I did, like I say, I got sizes grade school mostly, sizes 5 through 6.5, mostly more 5.5s and 6s that I got. And then I also got, like I said, 7.5 through a size 8.5, which wasn't too much, but like I said, I just got to save up for this weekend and stuff. So that's pretty much it. And in regards to the quality control, the guys, this is a grade school size 5.5, and this thing just goes insane. Like the shoe overall, I think will be doing numbers within like a couple of months if you hold on to these. So my biggest plan is for me to hold on to them, and like I said, I got a good deal since I had Foot Locker coupon codes, so I got -20. So I ended up paying like $120 for the grade school sizes each. So the profit margin was like $30-40 per shoe. So 40 times, let's just say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. You do the math, and that's how much I made. And keep in mind, guys, I was only doing this for maybe about an hour and a half. And this was by myself. It's not like I had people that were standing in line, were helping me, or I had backdoored any pairs. Like I said, this is all in store by myself, and I probably could have done a lot better if I had more people and a little bit of more money. But obviously, guys, you guys know that I have other shoes here and more in my closet, but these are just investments that are pretty much going to be going up in price later on. So I'm going to be holding on to these for a while. Then obviously the UNC 3s are coming out this weekend, which I'm very excited for. And yeah, guys, it's just a quick update video on the live aftermath of the Pine Green 1's grade school and men's sizes. And yeah, you guys have these. I would definitely recommend you guys holding on to them for a couple of months if you guys are able to do that. And then I guarantee you the prices will go up. So yeah, so let's see how this goes. And then good luck this weekend on the UNC Jordan 3s. We'll be making a video on that for a live cop using a bot tutorial, as well as giving you some tips and advice for going into Instore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. That is pretty much it. If you guys enjoy this, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll be making a video soon on Supreme, since I didn't post the week 1 of live cop success, which I was able to get 3 Zippos and I think like 1 shirt, which I wasn't trying as much. But yeah, so be looking out for that video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.